Have you ever pondered the mysteries that lurk beneath the surface of our oceans in the deep sea? This silent, unseen abyss is a realm of our planet that remains largely unexplored. It is a place where darkness reigns, and yet it is brimming with life. From the bizarre to the beautiful, the deep sea is home to a wealth of fascinating creatures and phenomena. So, grab your virtual scuba gear and prepare for a deep dive into the unknown. Dive with me as we explore 7 fascinating facts about the deep sea. 1. Imagine a weight of 50 jumbo jets pressing down on you. This is no hyperbole, but a snapshot of the deep sea's reality. The pressure there is immense, exceeding over 1,000 times the standard atmospheric pressure at sea level. This intense squeeze is due to the colossal weight of the ocean's water above. It's a world where every square inch endures the equivalent force of about 1 ton, a place of perpetual squeeze. That's the crushing reality for deep sea dwellers. 2. It's always midnight in the deep sea. Imagine, if you will, a world where the sun never rises. This isn't the premise of a sci-fi novel, but rather the reality of life beneath the ocean's surface. Once you descend beyond 1,000 meters, sunlight becomes a memory. Here, the darkness is as profound as the cosmos. Yet, despite this seemingly inhospitable environment, life has found a way to not just survive, but flourish. In this eternal night, life thrives in ways we can hardly imagine. 3. The deep sea hosts life forms stranger than science fiction. Imagine encountering a creature with a transparent head like the barrel eye or the anglerfish, a predator with a luminescent lure to attract its prey in the dark depths. Then there's the giant squid, a creature so elusive it was considered a myth until recently. These inhabitants of the deep, with their bizarre adaptations to the harsh environment, are as alien to us as extraterrestrial life. These alien-like creatures challenge our understanding of life on Earth. 4. The tallest mountains and deepest valleys are not on land but in the deep sea. Imagine colossal ranges that dwarf the highest peaks on Earth, hidden beneath the ocean's surface. The Mariana Trench is one such marvel, plunging over 7 miles deep. These underwater mountains and trenches house a world of unique species waiting to be discovered. They form an intricate topography that's largely uncharted, holding mysteries that could redefine our understanding of life. These underwater landscapes are as spectacular as they are unexplored. 5. The deep sea is a treasure trove of valuable resources. Its inky depths hide vast reserves of minerals, oil, and gas waiting to be discovered. Picture this: mountains of manganese nodules, fields of polymetallic sulfides, and expansive deposits of oil and gas. It's a veritable El Dorado, hidden beneath the waves. But as we dream about these riches, we must remember to balance our economic ambitions with the need to protect this unique environment. These treasures, however, come with environmental and ethical considerations. 6. The deep sea is a living museum of our planet's history. With its vast depths and crushing pressures, it harbors creatures that have remained virtually unchanged for millions of years. Think of the coelacanth, for instance. This fascinating fish, with its lobed fins and armored scales, was believed to have gone extinct around 65 million years ago. Yet it was discovered alive and well in the deep sea in the 20th century. The coelacanth is not alone in its longevity. Other deep-sea dwellers, like the goblin shark and the nautilus, have also retained their prehistoric traits, navigating the ocean depths as their ancestors did eons ago. These creatures, often referred to as living fossils, are more than just curiosities. They're biological time capsules, providing us with invaluable insights into life as it was millions of years ago. These living fossils offer a glimpse into our planet's ancient past. 7. We know more about the surface of Mars than about our own deep sea. Now, isn't that a mind-boggling fact? The reason for this disparity is the vast challenge that deep sea exploration presents. Unlike space, which is a vacuum, the deep sea is a pressure cooker, crushing anything that dares to venture too deep. The technology needed to withstand such intense pressure is complex, expensive, and still in its infancy. Space, on the other hand, is much more accessible. We can send telescopes and satellites into orbit, capturing detailed images of distant planets. But for the deep sea, we need specialized submarines and remotely operated vehicles that can withstand the harsh environment. Add to this the fact that the deep sea is pitch black with visibility nearly zero, and the challenge becomes even more daunting. Despite all these hurdles, the deep sea is a world we can't ignore. It holds secrets about life on Earth that are yet to be uncovered. The deep sea remains one of the last unexplored frontiers on Earth. So, there you have it. 7 fascinating facts about the deep sea. We've journeyed through unseen abysses, felt the pressure of the deep, and experienced eternal nights. We've marveled at alien-like creatures, climbed underwater mountains, and discovered hidden treasures. We've even traveled back in time, meeting living fossils in the ocean's depths. The deep sea is indeed an unexplored frontier, full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Next time you look at the ocean, remember the incredible mysteries that lie beneath the surface. Our journey is just beginning.